Partnering with Burloak Technology was the right decision for ABB, as we have already received parts that are way different than what we're used to, and it gives us an edge over other companies in the space industry. My name is Etienne Gauthier. I'm the Optomechanical Group Supervisor at ABB. ABB is looking at additive manufacturing because we're designing complex optical systems. We have to combine multiple parts into a single part using additive manufacturing to get the right performance of our optical systems.
My name is Frederic. I'm responsible for the business and technology development for the space sector at ABB, Quebec City. ABB is a large multinational company headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland, with a strong contingent in Sweden as well. Our division is in process automation, so anything within a company or industry that requires automation, and here we're specialists of optical sensors. Working with an additive manufacturing supplier really gives you possibility that you didn't have, working the classical way. And if you want to stay on par with the competition that are integrating these new technology, you really have to dive into this new emerging sector because it really does provide advantages. Even a reduction of integration times for combining parts that would have to be machined in 4, 5, 6 sub-segments that you now machine into just one segment. Burloak is an interesting company because it doesn't fear R&D and going a little beyond the traditional demands.
They are not afraid of developing new technologies, optimizing their process to change the powder composition. They will guide you to this and they will be happy to do it.
So sometimes we will come with a demand that is something not standard, and they will accept to the challenge of getting into R&D, but at the same time they will give us honest feedback on what are the challenges and the chance of succeeding, and so we know what to expect and we can plan the risk associated with doing that sort of R&D or pushing the boundaries of the technology a little further.
When working with these kind of supplier, we need to communicate a lot, and they are really responsive. So it's really a partnership. We're not working alone on both sides. We communicate a lot, and that's what makes the partnership